Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a side menu in Wix. So first things first, go to editor, and once you're in editor, go ahead and go to add elements, and then go to interactive, and here you can see light boxes. Go ahead and click on it, and here you have multiple options. In my case, I'll choose this one, and once you've chosen a template, go ahead and change the layout based on your brand or style. So here you will have option to change the font, the size, and everything. We arrange them because we're gonna add another element. Go to menu and anchor, and then go to vertical menus. And here I'll choose this one. And as you can see, you can also edit your layout and your design. To design it, just go ahead and click custom design, and here you will have multiple options and choose your preferred design. And once you're done, go ahead now and click this and go ahead and click change overlay background. So a window will pop up and you can choose multiple designs. So in my case, I choose this one because it matches my website. After choosing, go ahead and click save, and then click done, then go ahead and click exit mode. So now let's add another element. Go to decorative, go to basic shapes, more basic shapes, and search for menu. I'll choose this one. Add to page, and then let's position it on the place we like. And then go ahead and click on link, and then go ahead and click lightbox, and here you can choose the page that we made earlier. So now let's click save and let's hit preview to see if it works. So now I'm going to go ahead and click on the button, and there you go. You have your side menu. If this video helped you out, hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.